everyone, welcome to Campus Konnect by Biopatrika. I am Virender Singh, host for today's session. Today we have Dr. Jyothish with us, who recently graduated from TDU. Welcome Jyothish to the show.
Thank you, sir.
Jyothish, before we start, can you introduce yourself? What was your educational background before you joined TDU?
Sure. My name is Dr. Jyothish. I'm an Ayurveda physician. I graduated from PN Panikkar Ayurveda Sahuda Medical College, Kasaragod, in 2020. My UG was BA, Bachelor of Ayurveda Medicine and Surgery. So after that, I joined TDU in 2021, and I completed 2 years of Masters in Life Science, specialized in Ayurveda Biology. And now I am working as a scientist in Vaidhyarathnam Ayurveda Research Institute, Thaikkattasheri, Thrissur in Kerala.
Great. So as you mentioned, so you did BAMS, and after that, you took an unusual career step to join a master's program. So what was motivation for joining this particular program where both Ayurveda and life sciences are combined?
Uh, Actually, sir, after the BAMS, I was planning to write All India entrance exam for MD in Ayurveda. So actually, I take 1 year time to prepare also. At that time, it was COVID lockdown. So in Kerala, the government was giving Ayurveda medicine to the quarantine people just as a preventive measure from the virus. And the public, the Kerala public, not only Kerala, the all India level, the public was mostly interested in traditional medicine. And there happened a shift towards the traditional medicine because of the COVID. Because at that time, there was no vaccine, there was no proper gold standard medicine to treat the virus. So people were trying different traditional medicine, home remedies, and all. So total shift was happening at that time. Even in Kerala, people are more looking forward for Ayurveda medicine because of its safety and efficacy. But at that time, some of the allopathic doctors, even some of the researchers came up, and some of the news articles also came up that uh, it may cause the overuse or misuse of traditional medicine may cause organ damage, and they come up with some articles and all. And some of the allopathy doctors say Ayurveda is a pseudoscience, and it may confusion among the public because they are also not sure whether it is safe for giving to children. So at that time, lots of debates were there, lots of online platform meetings, discussions were there regarding this safety and efficacy and the evidence-based medicine. That's those aspects. And I found that even the Ayurveda doctors are little lagging behind because of the lack of research publications from Ayurveda field. So actually, at that point, I understood that there is a big gap where the Ayurveda doctors need to come and fill that. That is to make the Ayurveda treatment strategies, to make the Ayurveda formulations, the concepts, and all evidence based, so that the public will be convinced. Also, it need to be get globalized. That's what our aim. So for all these things, we need proper human resource that who can understand Ayurveda as well as the modern science. And I thought of searching for some of the courses that can offer subjects or offer training in modern science like cell biology or immunology and all. And at that time, fortunately, I found TDU's the emerging course Life Sciences in Ayurveda Biology through a WhatsApp group, and I inquired about it, and it started like that.
Great. So you got motivated to do something more robust in this field, and this course attracted your attention. So can you briefly tell the structure of this 2-year course? What were the like coursework, and what was the thesis part which was included in this course?
Actually, sir, this is a 2 year long course, and this 2 year is divided into two sections. And for first initial 1 year and next 3 months will be completely academic, along with the lab works and all in TDU itself. The final 8 months we can explore outside our university to do the thesis work. So the subjects includes the biochemistry, molecular biology, cell biology, genetics, immunology, ecology, local health tradition, and fundamentals of Ayurveda, and lot more. In every semester, we have 6 to 8 subjects to learn. Along with that, we have lab works also, like all those things are new for an Ayurveda doctor, like starting from basic lab experiments like DNA, RNA isolation, protein estimation, enzymology, and slowly, the experiments will be going on. So this is the structure of the course, and final 8 months is the thesis work where we have the opportunity to choose our own interest topic as well as the institutes with the help of TDU faculties. For me, I choose Pune University School of Health Science. In School of Health Science department, we have a Center for Complementary and Integrative Medicine department, and I got supervision from my guide Dr. Girish Tillu and Dr. Agash Sagam. They both guided me to complete my thesis work. And my thesis work was on cell culture. So those cell culture is also was very new for an Ayurveda doctor. But we got opportunity to explore that area. And in that study, I explored the Tinospora codifolia, that is Guduji. It's active extract against rheumatoid arthritis cell line. The cell line's name is SW982 cell line. So it was a great experience. 8 months in Pune. Not only the experiments, but communicating with new people, new institutes. Even I got opportunity to be some guest lecture in different institutes with the help of my guide. So it was totally a good experience.
Thanks a lot for explaining the whole course structure in like minute details. As you mentioned, that thesis is like core part of this course, and it seems faculty helped you in getting to some particular project at some institute. So was there flexibility when it comes to thesis project that you can do it outside TDU, or how it is like defined in coursework?
Actually, according to me, it was flexible. Like we can find the institute, we can search the topics, and we can discuss with the TDU faculties itself, and they will help us to identify because some team will be working core onto Ayurveda medicine, some will be on Ayur genomics, some will be on Ayur informatics. So according to our interest, faculties suggested to if you like to explore more of the pharmacodynamics or mechanism of action of formulation of single drug, you can go and explore School of Health Science, Pune University. Or if you like to explore more on bioinformatics, but you can go to IGIP, that genomics department in Delhi. So proper guidance was there from the faculty members, as well as the student selection for the thesis is also based on the interview. So I had an interview, like 4 or 5 people were my classmates were there for that interview, and they selected only one person. And one of my friend, he had done his thesis from Banaras Hindu University. So everyone got a great opportunity, and faculty members properly uh, helped us to find the particular specific spots.
Great. So since you are from BAMS background, so and you mentioned that lab work was something which was new to you. So how you coped up with these new techniques, and how faculty or other students helped you in learning those techniques quickly?
The experiment lab activities, everything was completely new for us, but we were aware that these experiments and lab works are coming. So initially, like for 6 months, it was very difficult because to adjust with the theory part as well as the lab works and lots of assignments, lots of actually faculties were giving uh, good task for us to get into that line. So like DNA, RNA isolation or planned molecule isolation, these things are actually new to us. The concepts also need to be learned before going to the experiment section. So with the help, half of our batchmates are from biotechnology and botany background. So they helped us to understand the basic concepts first. Then they assist us to understand how these experiments are going on, and even we got lots of opportunity to do hands-on itself. Except on some analytical tools, we got hands-on experience in most of the work, like protein estimation, enzymology, DNA, RNA, all things we have done with our hands only. So it's not like looking at the experiment and standing. We got the experience in it, and even the pharmacognosy side also. Those were also lab works. So I think within 6 months, everyone get into the line, and slowly, because we know Ayurveda, we could connect with the modern concepts also. Like it's better to learn Ayurveda and come to this course, because uh, basic understanding of Ayurveda will be there. There is a strong foundation will be there. Then learning the new modern concepts will help to find the link between them.
Now you are working in industry, and industry requires slightly different skills. How do you think this 2 year program helped you gain those skills? And was career development part of this course?
Okay. So after my MSc Life Science, I think before completing the course itself, I got placed in Vaidhyarathnam Ayurveda Research Institute. So it's one of the renowned Ayurveda medicine manufacturing company in India, Vaidhyarathnam Aushadashala. So what I understood is we can't do research works in Ayurveda alone. Even it is an Ayurveda industry or Ayurveda hospital, we need collaborative research. We need to talk with experts or scientists from allied disciplines who are interested in traditional medicine or Ayurveda. So what I understood is we need to be very thorough with the basic knowledge in different modern sciences. Then only we can talk with them in a language they could understand. So that's what the first thing I understood, what I got from the MSc Life Science course, because we study lots of subjects, not that much deeper because only two-year course. But then also with that foundation, what I understood is that helped me to talk with uh, good good international and national scientists over the India and all over the world. And if they are interested in Ayurveda, we need to talk in a language where they could understand. Because they may be interested in Ayurveda or traditional medicine, but they don't know how it is happening, how it is, how to communicate also. So it acts like a mediator who who can understand Ayurveda as well as the modern perspective and properly communicate with them. So that's the first thing I understood. Second thing is we need to be aware about the latest technologies, latest tools, latest assays, experiments that's going on in traditional medicine research. So that also we got from our MSc Life Science course. Most of the things were developed during the coursework, but according to our interest, like if we are working in an Ayurveda industry, more works will be on drug designing, understanding the mechanism of action of a formulation in that manner. If someone is working in genomics department and all, more on to Prakriti like concepts from Ayurveda, Ayurgenomics type of work. So according to the field, we can be flexible because we got a good package from our MSc course, so we can use it accordingly. That's what I understood.
Yeah, great. So, one last question for students who might be just finishing their BAMS or maybe bachelor's degree. What message you want to give if they are exploring master's program, and how do you think TDU might be the best option for them?
Sir, it's my personal perspective that a student who learn Ayurveda, like 5.5 years, he or she is learning Ayurveda. The Ayurveda concepts are more like philosophical. It can be applied universally, like Panchamahabhuta Siddhanta or Loka Purusha Samya Vada. So lots of concepts are more universal, and it tries to make the students' mind open to other science also. So we will be having a holistic picture, and we will be open for a wide range of sciences. And in one of the Samhitas, Sutta Samhita, Sutrasthana, it is saying that Ekam Shastram Adhyayano Na Vijnat Shastram Vinishchaya Chikitsaka. So that means a person who is well versed in one subject cannot come into a conclusion. He must be open for other science also. So Ayurveda concepts, fundamentals, what we learn also suggest us to be open for all other science also. Then only we can come to a good conclusion, or as a physician also we need to be well versed in different science. So what I need to say is the Ayurveda doctors who learned 5.5 years of this much Sanskrit slogas, modern aspect, can easily catch up with all these modern science if you can undergo 2 years proper training in TDU. And also I need to suggest that there are lots of opportunities for Ayurveda doctors in the field of industrial research, like academic research, and also bioinformatics, genomics. Lots of departments are there where the scientists are ready to explore Ayurveda, but they don't have people who can talk in a language that they could understand. So there is a gap. So that gap can be filled only with the help of Ayurveda physicians who like to explore other sciences. So I request every BMS doctors, if you want to explore something other than the clinical side, you can definitely come and join TDU, where you can explore preclinical researches. Now you can give medicine to patients and see the efficacy and safety in OPDs. But TDU give more opportunity to understand the concepts of Ayurveda, as well as now you can give medicine to Drosophila, C. elegans, zebrafish, so that you can explore the mechanism of action of those drugs scientifically. And this helps to make Ayurveda evidence-based. So lots of manpower need to work in research field to make this evidence-based, as well as to take it into global level.
Many great points. And thanks a lot, Dr. Jyothish, for joining us on Campus Connect. People will get benefit, and BMS students who are venturing into only one profile, if they could join this program, they can open up multiple career options for them. And best of luck for your industrial research journey. And I'm hopeful many other TDU students will join you in your company so that they can also fulfill their dreams. Thanks a lot once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time also. Thank you.